Hello guys, this is Aiden from KA Reviews, and today we are going to be looking at something very exciting, and it's an unboxing and first impressions. Right here, we've got the brand new DJI OM4.
This is gonna be a great one, you guys.
Just a little bit of backstory. Today is the day that we're celebrating my birthday.
So, actually, I was in partnership with his mom, called all of his friends, and we all chipped in to be able to get this thing. Right now, this is running on Amazon and DJI and probably Best Buy and wherever else for $149.99.
Check out Kelton's vlog up there.
Yeah, somewhere there, about today and how we celebrated and me giving him this and celebrating him with a Zoom call. It's a great video. You should go watch it.
Definitely. So, I guess, to start, let's start with the unboxing.
Alright.
I've got my handy-dandy slicer over here.
Oh, yeah.
Going for it. Okay, that's good. And now let's flip this over. It smells very nice.
It smells very nice.
Close
Oh,
this
I
up.
think it opens from the bottom.
I don't know.
Yeah? It's probably like a
Oh, here it is.
box.
It's from the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we can get our fingers down here. I said we can get our fingers down.
There
It's
we go.
magnetic.
Oh, it
This
is?
thing is fancy.
Okay, now flip it right side up. Okay.
Kathy, it doesn't creak, I promise. Great magnetic moments.
Oh, and look at that. It tells you how you can have them.
That reveal! Oh, this feels so great. Alright, so let's take this out. We've got the actual thing itself. We've got your mount that goes directly on your phone, and we just have the magnetic clamp. And then this, glad this comes with it. So that's nice.
That goes on the bottom of the. So
Yeah,
that's how
and
you
it
can
also
do like.
actually just has a 1/4 inch
Yeah, so you can put it on
thing,
any
so you can
tray.
put it on like a bendy pod, a gorilla pod, anything.
That pod.
Ooh, this is
that
a
pod.
this is a nice feeling joystick.
Really? Can I feel it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh wow! I've never actually held this. Whoa. Oh, and it turns too.
Yeah.
Charging cord.
Here we have a charger.
USB-C.
USB-C. Always good to have more of these. Oh, this is the actual mount that goes
That's the
directly
mount
on
that
your
goes
phone.
directly on your phone.
Ooh, and a carrying case.
Okay, let's
Alright.
just set this.
Okay, so this is how to open it. You push that, and then you do that, and now it's open. So now for the really fun part, the phone. Let's see, does it come with a charge? It does come with a charge.
Nice.
So we can just set that up right out of the box. Alright, so let's tap open the camera. Okay, so we have to start the
Turn that
connection,
on.
so let's... There it is. Let's connect to that. It is connecting. The Nemo app. Okay, connect it through the charging port. Do you need me to? Okay, now it is installing firmware. Let's hit install. 99! Let's drum roll together. A.
Ah. Should it just be?
Oh. Device update successful. Mount. Oh, there it is. Alright, now let's see. Let's pick it up. Whoa!
Next,
It says phone not mounted.
Is there like a calibrate button?
It is mounted, you turds.
Click the back button. The button on the back.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
You were correct. Oh my god! Look at this! How awesome! Oh. How awesome is this?
Okay, now click the back button again.
Oh, and it recenters.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm
now
gonna take this thingy off.
Click the M button. See what that does.
Well, that switches it between photo and video.
Oh, how do you switch between vertical and horizontal? Because I know you can do that.
Oh, I'm using the joystick. Oh, this is so epic! What? What? Oh my god!
You want to start recording?
Is so cool.
Oh, active track.
My god. Hang on, I'm a little busy being amazed right now.
Oh, that's the.
Yes, I
that's
saw
the,
this.
That's the dynamic. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely gonna do this at some point. Okay. Time lapse. Cool.
Ooh, that's like the motion.
Hyperlapse. What's the difference?
Hyperlapse means like you can do it while you're in a car or something.
Oh, cool.
Oh, that's like the panorama.
Oh yeah, I saw that. And story. What's that?
Story is like this weird editor for it.
Cool.
Maybe go to video.
Look at this. This is amazing. Oh, this is my favorite part right here. I don't think it likes it very much, but look at how cool that is. Oh, flipped my phone around for me. And let's come back around. And let's hit that button. Oh, it's doing active track. It was active tracking.
Active track me.
Whoa, it's active tracking the table.
The entire table?
No, just like a certain spot on the table. Oh, it lost it. Come on, find the spot. Here, I'll make it track you. Stand there and walk around, and it should follow you.
And Aiden isn't moving at all.
I'm not touching anything.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's following me perfectly.
Here, jump around to see if it goes up and down at all.
Okay. Wait, is it tracking the camera or my whole body?
It's tracking your face.
My face.
Oh, I'm not recording.
Well, you were screen.
I am.
Yeah, just record. Yeah.
Okay. And record. Oh, I lost the active track. Hang on. Record. Okay, it's recording. Let's do that on your face. Okay, it's recording now.
What happens if I like bend down and go out?
We'll keep a good sight on you.
Can it track me through that?
I don't see why not, but I'll just come out of here.
Oh, did it lose me?
No, it still got you.
Oh, it still got me. What if I go behind here?
It still got you.
That's better than the drone.
Yeah, it's got active track 3. My drone has active track 2. Or even 1 maybe, I have no idea. Oh, it lost you. Amazing. Nope, now it's tracking the fence.
Well, that's helpful,
Let me
isn't
get
it?
back on you. Here, stop moving.
Do it on the camera.
And active track. Okay, it's got you.
Alright.
It's not gonna move. Actually, I'll just know it's pretty big.
Does the zoom work?
I'll try it. Here. Zoom in. No, it's not switching the lens. Maybe it is. Oh, it is switching the lens.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Alright, so we know that works for at least...
Oh, and it says unable to switch cameras. Stop recording.
Are you kidding me? You have to stop recording?
Looks like it.
Damn.
Yeah, it doesn't... I mean, I can still use my other... I think I'm just going to keep it in 0.5 all the time. Because then I get, like, the widest angle easy, you know? And I can zoom in if I need to.
Well, I'm getting some good B-roll right here.
Here, run around. Run it, like, as fast as you can. Just set the camera down.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Oh, hang on. It lost it. Go back.
Oh, ready?
Go back. And hang on. Get you right into the little thing and two. Okay, run. Oh, you went too fast right by it. Probably didn't like that. Okay, and go.
Oh, it's just kind of slow.
Still got ya.
Okay, we are now going to test the motion time-lapse feature. If we can figure it out.
Okay, we're gonna go into
Time-lapse.
time-lapse. Okay, how do I do the motion part? Get that. Screen recording block. There we go. Alright, how do I do the motion? Oh, path.
Yeah, path. And then you
Okay,
can
motion lapse.
Okay, so maybe set it down here, man.
I'm gonna put it on that table.
Oh, okay. And then we'll go put it there now so that you can set the points.
Alright. A maximum of 4 points, so I'm gonna add 1.
Well, you want to set it down so you know where
Yeah,
the
right.
points are going to be.
Okay, let's put 1 point. Let's angle that right there. And let's make sure that I can move it all the way.
Maybe have it start like up here and then down there.
Alright, we got you.
Not like too high so it can still see me.
Alrighty.
Point 1.
Point 1 is gonna hit add. Doesn't have the little plus button anymore. Oh, there we go. Okay, add right there, and then let's put the second one over there. And add. Okay. Let's make...
Is there a place to set
duration.
the duration, like 10 minutes?
Yeah, let's make... Nah, not 10 minutes. Let's make it, 1 minute.
That's really short.
Well, the interval will be 1 second for every frame.
Okay.
So we'll get... The end product will be...
2.5 seconds long. If it's 30 frames.
We'll figure it out. Okay, record. Okay.
Whoa, look at that. It's okay,
going
now come
to
sit down.
stop.
Come sit down.
Alright.
Because we want you to be in it the whole time.
Oh, it's going.
Whoa, you can see it slowly moving. How much noise could you hear from it?
Not much. It's pretty quiet.
I can't wait to watch some of this footage.
Okay, so let's just keep talking about it. So
Alright.
one thing to keep in mind when using it, when using active track, it's not unlikely that it will lose your subject every now and then, but it's pretty good at finding you quickly. Alright, I think it finished.
Did it?
Okay, so let's see how that turned out. Alright. It's 4 seconds long.
Okay.
Oh, that's awesome.
That is freaking cool.
That's so awesome.
That is so cool. How? That it looks like it came from Hollywood.
Then let's do another one. Like, as much rotation as I possibly can do. Delete. One there. One there. One on you. And one over here. And we're gonna make the duration 4 minutes. So it's gonna take it 4 minutes to. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna take it 4 minutes to actually shoot the video, and it's gonna say that the finished product will be about 16 seconds.
Awesome.
So let's hit go.
And now
it's
going
gonna
to
find
the first spot.
first spot. There. Yep, it's going. Alright, let's just sit and quickly. That's probably stop. Oh, it stopped. Let's see if it moves back to the middle. Yep.
Oh yeah.
It's done. Okay, so it looks like it finished. You want to see the finished product?
Oh yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna take my phone out so I can charge it up. Jeez, that thing is really mounted on there. I'm gonna hold that. And power's off. Alright, let's see if I can. Dang, it's really stuck on there. I was worried that it wasn't gonna be like too stuck on there because I haven't taken my phone like off yet. But it's really tight. Okay, so let's watch the video.